Yes, Reed Chakraborty.
ম্যাম সবারই তো প্রেয়ার করানো হয়ে গেল, আমি কবে প্রেয়ার করব?
ও বাবা, সেই তো তুমি একদিনও করোনি প্রেয়ার?
না।
ওকে, আচ্ছা, tomorrow you will do the prayer, okay?
ওকে ম্যাম।
Yes, Rashmita.
Ma'am, I will also not doing prayer.
Okay. So Monday you will do the prayer, okay? Just you remind
Okay,
me.
ma'am.
Yes, remind me. Okay, everyone, open your English language book. Open your English language book, chapter number 10. Chapter 10, English language, chapter 10. Okay. Chapter 10, pronouns. Everyone just drop your hands. Drop your hands. Everyone drop your hands. Chapter 10, pronouns. Okay. Yes, Priyam.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me what is pronoun?
Pronoun.
Yes. What is pronoun?
A word which is used in place of a noun in a sentence is known as a pronoun.
Give me one example.
She, he, it.
She, he. Okay. Very good. Okay. So, pronouns, a word which is used in place of a noun in a sentence is known as a pronoun. So, a word which is used in place of a noun in a sentence is known as a pronoun. Rohini is going to the market. Okay. Then second sentence, we will tell that she wants to buy ice cream. So here in this sentence, second sentence, we will use the pronoun she instead of Rohini. Instead of Rohini, we will use the pronoun she instead of Rohini. So Rohini is a noun. We use the pronoun she in place of the noun Rohini. Madhur is happy. He came first in class. Madhur is happy. He came first in class. So we use he at the place of Madhur. The bird was hungry. It ate the fruit. So we use it at the place of the bird. Look at the sentences. Wasim is an old man. He walks slowly. The pronoun he is used in place of the noun Wasim. There is a woman in the balcony. She is our neighbor. The pronoun she is used in place of a noun woman. The dog has bred. meat and milk. It is loyal to me. The pronoun it is being used in place of the noun dog. So this is my doll. I play with it every day. The pronoun it is being used in place of the noun doll. So a word which is used in place of a noun in a sentence is called pronoun. Is called pronoun. The pronoun you can be used instead of a singular nouns as well as plural nouns. The pronoun which you can be used as well as singular nouns and also the plural nouns. Singular nouns means Rama is looking at you. Meena, Shumon and Mohan, can you come with me? You has been used in singular and plural both. Okay, in singular we also use you, and in plural we will use you. Okay, so you both the place in singular and plural we use you. In singular we use you, in plural we also use you. Deepak and Hirak are brothers. They are twins. So, Deepak and Hirak, these are plural. So, they are twins. So, here we will use they because Deepak and Hirak are plurals. The pronouns I, you, he, she, and they are used in place of names of people. It is used for things and animals. And the common pronouns that we used, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, them, him, her, me, and us. Okay, the common pronouns, এই pronoun গুলো আমরা use করি. This is called common pronoun. Okay, so just take out your copy, take out your language copy, and do it now. A, B, C. Yes, Ahornish.
Ma'am, I can't understand the A number, but is it like this? That first number is car, so I will write the pronoun as it.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ma'am, will you give me the study material question?
Ah, I will give. The study, the exercises of chapter 9 and 10, both I will give in study material portion.
Okay, ma'am, and I want to show you something.
Yes. Oh, very nice. Very good. খুব ভালো হয়েছে. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes, Sirin Shaiba. Yes.
বুঝতে পারছি না
Huh? What?
আমার আমার এর কোশ্চেনটা এই যে নাউন আছে ওই সেইটা আমি প্রোনাউন করব
Yes, yes, yes. Write the correct pronouns for the given nouns. You should write the pronoun instead of noun. Yes, tell me, Sirin.
ম্যাম প্রোনাউনের ওই অপশনের একটা বলে দিন না
হ্যাঁ, car eat. Mr. Bean he. Okay. Crow also eat. Rebecca she. Jim he. Teacher he. Bat eat. Camera eat. Mrs. Verma she. Doctors he. No, sorry, doctors they. Doctors they.
ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম
Yes, read Chakraborty.
ম্যাম বলছি যে খালি অ্যানসারটা লিখবো
Yes, yes. Answer, question answer. You both you will write the question answer because in future you will just understand the question answer. You have to choose the question answer and also you have to get the answer where you will do the question and you will get the answer. Okay, so that's why so question and answer both you will write. Those who have cleared your doubts, just drop your hands. Those who have cleared your doubts, drop your hands. Everyone raise your hands. Shaptaparna.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell me question number 1? Write the correct pronoun for the giving noun by two.
Yes, yes. Car, eat. You will write eat. Mr. Bean.
Ma'am, can you tell me all question? Ma'am, can you tell me all answers?
All answers. All answers. Okay. Car, eat. Mr. Bean, he. Crow, it. Rebecca, she. Jim,
Ma'am,
crow, eat. Rebecca, IT, it. Pronoun. This is pronoun. Okay. And Rebecca, she, Jim, it. You will use in masculine gender. In masculine gender, you will use he, and in feminine gender, you will use she, and neuter gender, you will use it. Okay, Shaptaparna, do it yourself. Understood?
Yes.
And in plural, you will use they. In plural, you will use they. Where the doctors, you will use they.
Okay, I understand.
Yes, Aryan Molla.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I have completed question number 8.
A. Okay, tell me the answer.
It is a car.
Hmm.
He is a Mr. Bean.
Hmm.
It is a cow.
Hmm.
He is a
Rebecca.
Rebecca.
Huh.
He is a Jim.
Hmm.
She is a teacher.
Yes.
It is a bat. It is a camel.
Camera.
He is
Camera.
a
Camera.
camera.
Hmm.
Camera.
Huh.
He is a Mr. Green. They is a doctor.
Mrs. Verma. Mrs. Verma. Question number 9. Tell me again.
He is a Mrs. Farmer.
He, no, not he, she. Mrs. Verma, she. Mr. Verma hole he hoto. She. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Acha, Audrija.
Ma'am, I want to show you the yesterday what you have said to write.
Not show me. Just tell
Wait,
me. Not show me. That tell me the answer.
Okay,
Question
Not-
number C. Just wait. C 8 9 10. Last one. C 8 9 10.
Okay, ma'am. B.
C.
Okay, ma'am. C. 6. The table is dash than that one. Heavier. Bella is very happy today.
Yes.
Tony is kinder to the animals than Piku is.
Yes.
The rose smells sweeter than the lily.
Yes.
This soup is cleaner than that one.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Hmm.
Thank you, ma'am.
Acha, Aratrika.
Ma'am,
Yes.
number 9. What did I write, Mr. Verma?
Mrs. Verma. C. Mrs. Verma. She.
Doctors?
Doctors, they.
Okay, ma'am.
Just drop your hand. Those who have cleared your doubts, just drop your hands. Arat.
Ma'am, in number 6, teacher
Yes.
can be he and teacher can be C also.
Yes.
I write he oblique C. Is there is any problem?
No problem. He or she. No problem.
I write he oblique C.
Yes. Absolutely right. No problem.
Okay.
আচ্ছা সম্পূর্ণা।
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't understood the B number 1,
Hmm.
10 and 9, 8.
আচ্ছা, fill in the blanks with suitable pronoun. হ্যাঁ, we are coming with you. Please wait for us. Please wait for us. Okay. And one then one number,
Then 8.
8 number. Okay. Huh. I will show it to him. He wants to see my new watch. I will show it to him.
And 9.
9. She will teach us. We will put us instead of we.
And 10.
10.
10
10.
is the
Yes,
last
yes.
number.
I am reaching New Delhi tomorrow. Please meet me. Please meet me at the station.
Ma'am, you
Yes.
see that in teacher I write this.
Yes, yes, he or she. Okay, very good. Teacher, you will write he or she. Because we don't understand the teacher. This is female or male. We don't understand the male
Yeah,
or
right,
female. Okay, this is the common
Yeah.
noun.
In there, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Write C.
Ha.
In there, right there. So I write C.
Okay,
A he.
okay,
And
okay.
here write ma'am, but I write C.
Yes,
Hello, ma'am.
yes,
I
yes.
cutted my hair. You see me.
Huh? Tell me.
I cutted my hair. You see me.
Oh, ha. Very nice. You are looking very nice. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, just I will give your attendance. Just give me 2 minutes. Taskin absent. Taskin Alam. Taskin. Taskin absent. Yes. Yes, Riskin. Riskin Hossain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Have you any problem?
No, ma'am.
The Tanveer Islam. Tanveer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Number B 679.
Uh-huh. Okay, I will give the answer in study material portion. Okay, just you will check it. Check the answer. Okay. I will give all the answer in all the answer in study material portion. Just you will check.
Okay,
Yes, Azad Al Habib.
ma'am.
Hmm.
I have completed a number. Can I say?
Yes, you say the question number 1, 2, and 3. Tell me the answer.
1, 2.
And 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
It car.
Huh.
He, Mr. Bean.
Yes.
It crow.
Yes. Very good.
She,
Okay, just says that. Very good, very nice. Okay, so everyone, bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow, we will check. Tomorrow, I will check your answer. Okay, one by one, tell me the answer. Okay, 9 and both the chapter 9 and 10. So everyone completed at your home. Everyone completed at your home, and I will give the answer in study material portion. I will give the answer of question chapter number 9 and 10 in study material portion. Okay, so everyone do fast at your own. Then you will check your answer from study material portion. But you will try the answer. Okay, you will try to write the answer. Yes. Read Chakraborty. Tell me fast because 11:38 already.
I have completed. I
Okay.
said.
No, not now. Not now because time is already over.